Well, when she initially hit us, I jolted forward really far and I smashed really hard on my seat. I don't know how I did it, but I ended up hitting wrong. My name is Jammie Rehack, and I was hit by a drunk driver on Christmas Eve. In my injuries, I had a disc in my neck that was bulging into my spinal cord, which was severing the cord to the point where my arms would go numb. I felt like I was consistently being stabbed between my shoulder blades. Yeah, it was the most excruciating pain I think I ever had.
I heard from Jammie a couple months after her accident when her insurance company was starting to delay the process and not get her the right answer she needed based on the surgery that was recommended by 3 orthopedic surgeons as a result of her accident and her injuries.
I made sure that correspondence with Jammie was a very regular thing. I think the easiest way to speak to a client is over text in today's world. Sometimes people are going back and forth between work, between the office, between home, soccer games, whatever it is. And texting, they can respond to me within a couple hours, they can respond to me within a couple minutes.
But I would text her or email her, and she would, as quickly as I could think of, like I would assume, 1 to 2 business days is what your standard reply is. Within a couple hours, she was emailing me back. The driver didn't have insurance, but the person that owned the car, their insurance was difficult to work with. So that was initially why I knew I needed a lawyer.
The reason that Jammie and other people need to know that they have people fighting for them is to not be adrift in a sea. That this is a world that they don't know. This is insurance. And most people believe and are under the impression of the way that they market themselves is that the carrier's there to help you. But in reality, the minute you're in an accident, you're now a liability to them. And their goal is to get you out as cheaply and quickly as possible so that they can keep their reserves and their profit margins up.
The end result was amazing. I received the max settlement from both insurance companies. I couldn't believe when he handed me the check. It was the most amount of money I've ever held in my hands. I was actually shocked because one of my friends was in a car accident before me, and she's still going through her process. And he got ours done so fast, so I assumed it was gonna be like long, drawn out. So when I received that money, I was relieved that my bills were paid, that I was able to make up for things that I missed with my kids, that I wasn't financially responsible for something that I didn't do. My choice to hire Nicolet Law was the best decision I ever made.